Some Garmin watches don't come with preloaded golf course maps. But don't worry, you can download them anytime using the Garmin Connect app. This ensures you always have the most up-to-date course information, customized for your specific location. Here's how you do it. Open the Garmin Connect app on your phone. Tap More in the bottom right corner. Select Download Golf Courses. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to search for your course by name. Find your course, then tap the download icon. Once downloaded, your course is saved in the app and ready to sync with your watch. To add the course to your watch, press the Start, Stop, or Action key. Select Golf, and the watch will display the 5 closest courses using GPS. Choose your course, and you're all set. Your most recent course will stay cached, so you don't need a Bluetooth connection to access it later. The Garmin Connect app can store up to 100 courses. If you have reached the limit, select the option below for steps on deleting courses from the Garmin Connect app. Android, press and hold the course and then select a remove. iOS, swipe left on the course and then select a delete. Not seeing your courses? If syncing fails, there might be a Bluetooth issue. Follow the steps in the Garmin Connect app to reconnect and try again. With just a few taps, you can be fully prepared for your next round of golf. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.